Zesty Pops here, and today we are going to be reviewing Funko Mystery Minis, the Kingdom Hearts version. Now, we only have 11 here, so we won't get the whole set, but we're hoping that we at least get all, except for that one. Okay, so here are the characters. Okay, here are the characters that you can get, and as you can see, like I said, you got a 1 in 12 of all of them to get. And I'm really hoping that we get regular Donald or the Monster Sora. That one looks really cool.
Actually, I don't know. No, that's different. I think that's a rare monster Sora, because this is a monster Sora where's my finger? There it is. All right, right here. This is regular monster Sora. I don't know what that one is.
Well, let's open it and find out what we got. Alrighty. Let's see which one we got. Because it's really light, so I'm thinking this is the Donald's. This is so light, but I don't know.
I don't know. It might be Mickey.
Or it could be Mickey.
It might be Mickey. All of it's a 1 in 12 chance, so...
Ooh, this is a tiny figure. Let's find out. Let's see. And we have...
Put it in the camera.
What's his
Roxas.
name?
We got Roxas. That's awesome. I like that.
He's a nice figure.
Yeah, I like the detail in that. I love how much effort they put into detail of these figures. They're like really tiny, and they put a lot of effort, even with the little chain here. I like that a lot. That's pretty cool. And the ridges of the shoes. That's pretty cool.
Alright, so he's the first one we got.
Yeah, let's set him off to the side here. We can probably maybe put that there. Alrighty, and now it's my turn. Alright, plastic, more plastic.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take some of them off.
Yeah, that'd be like wonderful, not going to lie, because plastic is my worst enemy. So, this is not ASMR. I mean, I could be like mesmerizing you guys. Alright, I'm going to be opening the box now, so you can like pause in between opening them. Alright, now let's find out what we got here. Alrighty.
Feels like a big figure.
Yeah, it's actually pretty big. It might be goofy. I'm guessing. I'm going to take a guess that it's...
Or it could be that guy.
Yeah, maybe.
There he is. I don't know who he is.
There we go. I actually opened it. Oh,
we got the... Oh, he's cool. We got the wizard.
Yeah, it's like a wizard, Heartless, a mage Heartless or whatever. I play Kingdom Hearts a little bit. I know a little bit of Kingdom Hearts, but yeah, I love that. Like I said, the detail.
That's cool. I like that.
And these
I
are
think that was my favorite.
really awesome. All right, next one.
All right.
Now we got 2 out of the 12.
Struggling getting this open. Okay. Let's see which one this one is.
I just like opened it like...
Oh, here's the guy that I thought his was.
I gotta go down a little bit. There you go.
There you go. He's pretty cool.
Don't twist his head. I think that's the way it's supposed to go. I heard a snap and I'm like, don't break it, please.
He's pretty cool.
I like his keyblade. I'm not gonna lie.
That is pretty cool. It's like really red. With like
yeah, can you
black
try to get a
incense?
little bit closer if you can? Here.
I'm trying. There we go. Wait.
Oh, wait. Let's focus on that. Can we? There we go.
Yeah.
That is awesome.
It looks blue on the camera, but it's... Well, no, it's made like dark blue on the figure, too. Like, Oh, that's pretty cool. I like him.
That's pretty awesome. Not gonna lie.
All right.
All right, now on to another set. All right, you can.
Oh yeah. Get the plastic.
While
off.
I'm opening it, you can take some plastic off because there we go.
Right.
See if I can flatten it up here. And
People don't like it when you feel for it. You just gotta open it.
well, this one's kind of weird. It's actually like a blue flimsy. All right, I'm gonna wait until you.
I wonder if that one's Mickey.
There you go.
Oh no, you got
Oh,
the.
yeah, I got the Monstrosaura. There we go. One of the Monstrosauras.
No, I like him. He's cute.
Yeah, it's pretty cute, not gonna lie. I like the stripes, the purple. Oh, is that pink or purple? I can't.
It's purple, but it looks kind of pink on camera.
Yeah, let me see if I can focus in on that. That is really cool. I like that. All right. So far, we're actually getting pretty well in the sets here.
Shh, don't say it, or we will get one.
A double, you mean? Double trouble?
Oh, I did not open that on the camera whatsoever. I did not mean to not do that.
You're just excited, it's all.
Oh, this is a really tiny one. This is tinier than the first. Oh, I got the Donald Duck.
That is awesome.
Here we got regular Donald.
Thank you. Oh, I love his jacket. Look at his jacket.
I'm trying to move my hand. There we go.
I like his jacket. That's pretty awesome. Let me focus. Yeah.
I like him. He's cool.
That is awesome.
All right, he's. Uh-oh.
Did he stand?
Our surface ain't really flat anyway. Okay.
There we go. Nope. You might have to lay him down.
Yeah, he'll probably have to lay. Yep, he'll have to lay down.
Okay.
Alright.
Here, you open this with the plastic. I'll open this. There we go. Alrighty, there we go. Now,
I can't believe they don't have Pete in this series.
oh, Pete. I don't think Pete is in Kingdom Hearts. He might be. I can't remember. But oh, we got Goofy.
Yay, regular Goofy too! Yay! I want him.
I don't think he's regular Goofy because this is like kind of like blockish.
Well, he's not the green Goofy.
Well, yeah, monster Goofy.
Yeah, monster Goofy.
But I think he's looks like a Lego type dealio. So did Donald. They're like really flat and boxy looking. But yeah, I like that. That's pretty cool. I like the detail on it. He kind of wobbles a little bit, but let's see if he'll stand. Yeah.
He stands better than Donald does.
All right.
All right. Let me open the camera this time. Next time we need to just take off the plastic before
The video.
Yeah. Oh, this is like in a regular weird bag. All right. And we got Monsters Inc. Donald.
Oh wow. That is awesome. Yeah,
He's cool.
I got the I did have. I don't know if I still have it or not.
Oh,
The Monsters Inc. Funko Pop.
I like the detail in his outfit. That's really cool.
All right, that's legit. All right, we're getting pretty close. Now I'm gonna open this one. Let's see what's next. I really hope we actually get practically all of them, but one. Let's find out what figure we don't have left. So, alright, this is blurry as all heck. It's not wanting to focus either.
I about opened it.
There we go.
Okay. That was the last plastic.
Alrighty, what do we get?
We got Mickey Mouse.
Hey,
Yeah,
we got Mickey. The camera's not wanting to focus at all. There we go. See if we can focus in on that. There we go.
We got Mickey Mouse.
That is awesome.
I like him.
Oh, his keyblade it looks a little bit,
Yeah, it's a little bent.
but you know. King Mickey. Gotta give respects to King Mickey. I love it.
Alrighty.
I love it. Next one.
Glue.
We're actually getting pretty close to the set. We might finish it, except for one.
Shh. Don't jinx it. Alright, here's another one of the weird bags.
Yeah, you actually might be able to tear that one pretty well.
There we go. Who do we get?
Oh.
Regular Sora, right? Yeah, regular Sora.
Yeah, regular Sora. Well, not regular Sora, but you know,
it's
not
Sora.
Not monster Sora, but you know, for all the ones that might be
I hope we
triggered out
get
there.
regular monster Sora too. Then we'd have all three Soras.
Yeah. All right, next one. I am excited because.
Who are we missing now? Right now.
Let's find out. All right, we got.
You
No,
gotta
we
focus.
did. We did not. We did
him.
not get him.
Oh.
We got him. Let me
There's
focus.
4 Soras. I didn't know if there was 4 Soras.
Okay. All right, we got him. We got Goofy, Donald,
We got them all. Except
King
for the first
Mickey,
one.
Roxas. We don't have this monster Sora. We don't
We don't have the green Goofy.
We don't have the green Goofy. So, all we're missing, I do believe, is just these 3 corners.
Yeah.
So, yeah, awesome. So now let's find out what we get next. And we got Monster Goofy. That is awesome. Now we only need regular Sora and
Monster Sora.
Monster Sora. That is awesome. That is
Alright.
awesome. We're getting super
Let's see
close,
if
guys.
Monster Sora or regular Sora is in here.
I'm nervous.
Comment down below, guys. Who do you think we got?
Alright.
Let's see. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's one of those you just gotta tear.
Let's find out. Ready? Oh, we got Monster Sora.
I was really hoping for regular Sora, but you know.
No, I like Monster Sora. I was hoping for Monster Sora.
Aw. But anyways, that's awesome. I'm glad that we got pretty much the whole set here.
Yeah, how rare was that?
I know,
We
right?
got no duplicates.
That is really awesome. So, now all we gotta do now is go out and find that one. Maybe, I don't know. If you guys want us to find the last piece of this set, let us know down in the comments. If you guys like the mini, I was trying to say mystery and mini at the same time. It did not come out right. The mini mystery packs, if you like those, we will do that more in the next few videos if you guys love these videos and enjoy these videos. So like, comment, and subscribe for more. And also, if you guys have not noticed, down in the description, we have a Patreon, and you guys can go check it out, become a Patreon today, or you can do a one-time payment. You know, it's all good. Either way, you'll get a shout out. So, check in the link down below, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.